watching our
And
video.
it's me, Anthony. And we're gonna show you a volcano explosion.
But it's underwater.
Yeah, it's
In
underwater.
here.
It's in here.
And Anthony got this from his birthday.
yeah.
Oh, kick that out of the way.
And it's gonna be
Okay,
good.
there.
Leave it, it's okay.
So,
So,
we're gonna show you right now.
you repeated me last video.
We're gonna show you right now. And it's a volcano underwater. That
Okay.
explodes underwater.
Uh-huh. We're waiting. I'll say hi to our brother.
Oh, hi, Steve.
He's a baby.
You can see him. You can see him. It's because he's right there. He doesn't want to see at the video.
He's crazy.
Yeah, he's crazy and he's really. Oh, he's crazy. You heard that? You heard that? So we got this science thing. Oh my God, Jolly! How long do you have to keep this up? Oh, come on, Ollie. I'll spray water on your face.
Okay, so we need one
Okay.
medium scoop of citric
Okay, let's start.
acid.
Okay, 1 medium
Scoop of
scoop
citric
of
acid.
citric acid.
Okay.
Not the dangerous one.
It's not dangerous.
Okay, ready?
Sorry, that was
Oh, these are our jiggly crystals right here
So I'm
that we made
Putting it in here.
without the video.
Yeah, sorry. We didn't show you. Sorry.
Sorry.
But we're still gonna make a cooler thing. So, comment down below. And
Comment down below if it's gonna work or explode. Is
Ready?
it okay.
Ollie, come.
I
Ollie,
think
Comment down below and hit that
Okay,
bell.
thank you. Ready?
Okay,
it won't work.
it will work. It's just
Oh, look, it's growing.
you see it?
Look, you see
you see
it? It's turning purple. Oh!
Oh! Oh! It feels weird.
Wow. I'm gonna.
Okay,
Wow.
hold on.
Wow.
Don't touch it.
Don't touch
no.
it.
No.
See, don't touch it.
It's acid. Just kidding. It's,
really-
not the
it's-
dangerous. It's not the dangerous one.
It's not dangerous to touch, but comment down below if it really works.
This is.
And
this is a
my
bit-
mom's gonna ask more things about it. Oh!
Let's see if it goes down.
And guys, this present was for my brother, and he
No.
and it is
No.
it is called
Oh, yeah. Oh, look.
my first mind-blowing science.
And our
does-
video is called Anthony and Andy
You see how
Vlog
right here?
video.
No, it's not called that.
Look,
It's
look at
called
how the oil and the water's not
it's
mixing.
called Bring Up the Vacas.
Don't touch it.
I know.
And then it will show like
Okay, yeah.
it'll show like 3 videos, and now this is our 4th video.
If you have a baby, then you could still do it.
Yeah.
Touch it a lot.
But
No.
don't.
Okay, yeah.
It's okay if you touch it, but a little bit.
Hi.
One more time, Ollie. Look.
Look, my
Oh.
mom's gonna do it one more time.
Hold on,
But
you have to let the bubbles go down a little bit.
might not work.
It might not work, yeah. But she has to it has
Comment
to
down
dip
below.
in. Comment down below and hit that bell.
And subscribe.
And subscribe.
And leave that thumbs up. No thumbs down.
We know this video is long, so
Yeah.
Let's see if this will.
Oh no, why did you do that?
stick it back in.
Hold on.
Stop.
Stick it where it's only.
Sorry guys.
This
Sorry. Sorry that the baby's so crazy and loud.
Okay,
We're sorry about
now-
this video that we're so crazy.
Yeah.
No, this guy is crazy.
Yeah, he's right there, and that baby.
Look, Ollie. No.
He's
Don't
on the
touch it.
table.
Oh, my mom.
He's on the table.
Okay, now we're gonna use baking soda.
We're gonna use baking soda.
See if that
We're gonna make the difference. We're gonna
Oh,
comment
anyway.
down below if it works with baking
No.
soda,
Oh.
and hit that bell and subscribe.
Oh no!
You know we.
Oh,
we say-
stop! Oh, stop! He's gonna hit me.
We're My baby
Oh,
brother is about to
He
hit it
dropped
with
his
a
spoon.
spoon.
Well, what happened with baking soda?
We're gonna do it with baking soda.
See.
Oh, it looks like the dum.
Look,
Look,
see?
it's growing. It's the bubbles right here.
Yeah, it's right there.
And look at the water.
And you could see, if
Oh,
you
no.
like it, then don't
It's
subscribe. If you do
it's
like
a
it,
oil-
then subscribe.
There's an oil down here. It's the bubbles are going
It's
down
not
there.
the real oil that's
we're,
not
so- we're
dangerous.
sorry that you can't see it. Show it. Look at the bottom. It's red, and then the ugly part, and then the ugly part, and then bubbles.
So
Okay.
let's pour it into here. and
We're
see what
gonna pour
happens.
it into this one, the middle one. And it's
Oh, it
coming.
looks ugly. Super ugly.
It looks really a little bit ugly. We're sorry about that, but
It's just science.
it looks
Yeah.
it's science. Oh look, you can see it's going up.
This guy wants to be a scientist when he grows up.
And he wants to be a lawyer.
Okay, Ollie.
No, I don't want to be a
Ollie,
lawyer.
there.
Yes, you do.
An author.
An author.
Author. He wants to be an author. They messed up on that.
Oh,
Little science experiment or
and
what?
and don't forget to go to my dad's shop. It's called Mike's Performance
It's us,
Exhaust.
but he could fix.
Like
he
this
could
is the
fix.
shirt. Mike's Performance Exhaust.
And you could buy a hat there or a shirt.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe to
And
the
hit
channel
that bell
and hit
and
that bell
subscribe.
and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.